Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Nkulisokho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Asingeneni ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu. Umthethwa is currently the best player ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and leyo nto leyo i-big problem bafowethu ku-Kaizer Chiefs, because he won't give i-Kaizer Chiefs amagoli, he won't give i-Kaizer Chiefs ama-assist, but good for him ukuthi is currently the best player ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Maningi ama-player ku-Kaizer Chiefs kumele angene egrawundini alwe njengomthethwa. They have to model their game around umthethwa. I mean, i-bravado persona esiyibonayo, inkani yakhe esiyibonayo, i-energy yakhe bafowethu ugijima 90 minutes umthethwa. Kumele amake nje kuphela, but because Kaizer Chiefs they are lacking in so many different departments, umthetho sesimbona sekaqala nama-counter attacks egijima nebhola ukuya phambili. So kudos to him, like shout out to him ngokwazi ukuperforma kanje noku-understand ukuthi ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs kuminani, noma kuthiwa akekho well equipped in terms of kwamanye ama-department, but guess what, whenever is given an opportunity to play laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ngimcriticizile mina kakhulu, but-ke umthetho bafethu is one for the books laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, i-hard work yakhe akumelanga ube super talented ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs or ukudlalela any other team, but you have to show the hunger bafethu, the inhliziyo kumele uye all out, ubonise ngempela ukuthi you are willing to die for this team. That is what we are seeing from umthethwa, but we are not seeing from amanye ama-play. So they have to babheke umthethwa and then babone ukuthi from umthethwa mhlampe iziphi izinto abangazifunda laphana, and then nabo bazame ukusebenzisa lowo nkani yabo, because ebholeni inkani bafethu esiyifunayo, nanokuthi-ke ubonise nje ukuthi you are giving everything for the team. What a player for umthethwa this season. Ngimcriticize njalo ngokuthi uyi-bad pass of the ball, but akusiwo umsebenzi wakhe ukuphasa. Umsebenzi wakhe ukuthi enzeni, abambe ibhola and then aliphase laba abaseceleni kwakhe babone ukuthi benzani. But mawubheka ocele contribution yabo incane laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, because of umthetho segcine senza umsebenzi omningi, but siyazi ukuthi ucele lesi season akakadlali vele kakhulu compared to the way I was expecting ukuthi adlala. Akakabi, kuzoba nzima kakhulu laphana ku-midfield ukuthi abocele bathenjwa, akakadlali nabo uMaboya, so kuzoba nzima kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Maningi ama-players sewabhekile ukuthi azodlala, uMaboya akakadlali, uCheslett siyazi ukuthi yena uyi-number 10, but-ke bakhona abantu abambalwa abangakadlali ku-Kaizer Chiefs esibe-expect-ile ukuthi bazodlala. But-ke ngithanda ukuthi nje umthetho aqhubeke njalo adlale with the hunger, the belief, with the heart, give everything whenever you're given a chance, be willing to die for the team. That is what we love to see as ama-fans. Sifuna ukubona umuntu onike 100% njalo mini ku-opportunities yokudlala. Asingeneni kulento kuma-expectations waku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ukuthi are-realistic noma ngekho realistic. I-Kaizer Chiefs mayiqala isizini njengoba bengishilo earlier on, bathi i-Kaizer Chiefs izogijimisa iligi, izogijimisa ini, no nama-players wakhona aqamba amanga. Hayi, ngibukele yini lento le, ngibukele i-interview or conference or bambuza ama-question laphana uPeterson athi bayi-Kaizer Chiefs bona they're going for everything this season. Well, ngiyazi ukuthi i-statement ezinjalo bafethu ziya-encourage nanokuthi zinika i-hope for ama-fans, but-ke you have to fix ama-structures wakho kuqala before you could possibly think ukuthi you can win izinto, ukuthi ungakompyutha for i-league, ungakompyutha for i-Nedbank Cup, ungakompyutha for ku-continental level, but bona i-CAF Confederations Cup they wanna win it. Hayi kuzoba nzima-ke kakhulu-ke bafethu-ke, yabona lapha khona ama-cup la e-South Africa bangashayisana nawo because ama-team aphuwa isikhathi esiningi, but bakwazi ukufika ku-CAF Confederations Cup. Sometimes ku-final, sometimes unokushayisana nento bafethu, kuyenzeka sometimes i-element of luck iyafuneka. Ngisho ukuthi ngeke bafike, but-ke the way abadlala ngakhona abana chance ukuthi badlale kahle laphana ku-CAF Confederations Cup, and mentally they gotta be strong, like bakhompyutha, balwisana pound to pound ne-team yase-Angola away. They're not good in terms of going away, but basadlale kanye away. Vele it's gonna be difficult away, kumele bazame ilokhu njani, i-draw njalo mebedlala away at least, and then at-home they have to make sure ukuthi bayawina. Bayawathola ama-opportunities amaningi, but they're not able to bury those chances. Kumele balungise laphana phambili. Banayo i-team engakhompyutha continentally. I mean, asibheke ama-individual players bafethu, sibheke uDupreez laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uyi-player leli mani libheka nina as i-strike ukuthi angakwazi ukuyithwala i-Kaizer Chiefs na, uzokwazi ukucontribute kakhulu, uzokwazi ngempela ukulwa serious for i-Kaizer Chiefs, uzokwazi ukubanika amagoli. If uzobanika amagoli, uzobanika amagoli angakho. UDupreez, mawumbheka wena uDupreez, the-energy yakhe that he gives to the game, u-clinical kangakanani laphana phambili, u-create ama-chances angakanani yena meyedlalile, mengenile, nanokuthi udlala kanjani, uzipositiona kanjani oShabalala mabaphethe ibhola, oVilakazi mabaphethe ibhola, bayamthola or kunzima ukumthola, yena udlala kanjani. Mawulibheka lela player leli, and then ubheke uye kuSilva, uthi uSilva umuntu ongayithwala na i-Kaizer Chiefs. I think izinto masizibheka bafethu one on one, sibheka ama-players siwaprofayila kahle one on one, uDuba angakwazi ukuyithwala i-Kaizer Chiefs. uDuba mina what I like about him inkani yakhe, I like ama-aspects of amanye i-contribution yakhe ku-game ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Ngiyazi ukuthi isizini yakhe ayiqalanga kahle but anga-contribute-a ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but kumele nabantu abase-around yena ba-excel. Imagine if wonke umuntu ku-Kaizer Chiefs ufake i-energy kaMthethwa, the way lento le bengisho, Kaizer Chiefs ngaba easy compete for everything on off if wonke umuntu ufake i-energy kaMthethwa, but abanye ngathi benzela i-team i-favor mebedlala. And kunama-midfielders like angakwazi ukushaya amaphasi agood ukuthi a-assiste. Umuntu udume ngokuthi nje uyi-midfielder, uyi-anchor nje, uhlala la esiswini, ayikho into ake yayenza sathi wow, just nje is a good collector of the ball nokushaya ama-short passes. If andiboni ukuthi ngikhuluma ngobani ngeke ngisho, but umuntu wakhona abantu bamcelebrate ngathi khona into ayenzayo enkulu, and eseqala ukuhlala ebhentshini by the way. So uNgcobo ngikhulumile ngaye, uNgcobo angadlala kahle kakhulu bafethu, asibeni fair, iplayer eli-good leli for i-Kaizer Chiefs, but it all trickles down to ukuthi udlala nama-player anjani around wena, ayakusupport-a na, akusupport-a kanjani futhi ama-player wakhona, are you benefiting from ukudlala nalawo ma-players or ayakubulala? Because ungaba i-best player in the world but uma udlala nama-player awu-9 or awu-8 or awu-7 alazile ibhola, talented but-ke they're not giving their all laphana ethimini, ngeke ubonakale nawe, uyophenduka ufane nabo ube umquba. So I mean zonke lezo zinto lezi asibuyele kule nto ka-Ayanda, le message ebengiyifunda lana kuma-comment wami bafethu. I think it's a powerful message ukuthi badinga i-winning mentality, abanayo i-winning mentality. Yabona uma ukompera, uma uthatha i-Orlando Pirates uthathe ne-Kaizer Chiefs, unomehluko omkhulu between lama-team lawo way-two. Like uma ubheka laba be-Orlando Pirates, they know ukuthi why baku-Orlando Pirates, ba-emotionally, as in you could see ukuthi they want this thing, they wanna die for the team. Like wonke umuntu odlalayo laphana ofikayo ku-Orlando Pirates, even if they fail to get ama-results, but for bona i-personally, emotional, they wanna win. Like uma ubheke bona uyabona ukuthi labantu akudlalwa ama-games kule team, indaba yabo i-straight, they wanna win. And uma ujoyine i-Orlando Pirates bayaku-understand ukuthi le team lo ijoyinayo mfana akudlalwa-ke la, itshintshile impilo yakho, so ziningi izinto abakutshela zona. i-Kaizer Chiefs abantu they just, I think abanye they just join for a fun of ukujoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi badume i-South Africa yonke, but you don't see that inside the field of play. I mean masingenza i-example lese uMurray Orlando Pirates, uqeda ukufika but the heart, the hunger, or apolisi, I mean oNduli, you could see those guys ukuthi okay, they need abantu aba-hungry, abalazi i-talent alone ngeke likubeke ndawo bafethu, udinga ukulwela i-team overall. So ama-expectations with Kaizer Chiefs, I think they started the season high kakhulu, unrealistic uma wabheka ukuthi bona they are going for all ama-cup akhona on off, unrealistic. Bona they can say we wanna, kumele bazihambule ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but we wanna do better than last season, meaning that elikini at least-ke masingafika ku-top 4, that would be a good thing. You can't uthi wena from ku-number 9 uthi uzowina i-league, you can't bafethu. Thatha ukubhilda i-team ewina i-league, awushayisani ne-league bafethu, consistency, 30 games, awushayisani nayo nje, you have to go out there for 30 games bafethu, uwina, umake sure ukuthi ucollect ama-points. Yabona iMamelodi Sundowns i-league iwina kanjani? Mayidlala ama-big teams, i-Orlando Pirates inokudliwa leseyishawe i-Orlando Pirates, but kulama-team amancane, especially previous season beyishaya nje kwasani mayidlala nalama-team amancane beyingawazweli, and then thola ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates izohlulwa yilama-team amancane overall. So Kaizer Chiefs, the best position for bona e-league this season, I think izoba number 4. I don't see them being maybe number 3 if they did really well. Number 1, number 2, I never. Ngiyala. Yeah, I wanna go to i-relationship ka-Coach Nabi no Ben Khalil bafethu. Coach Nabi watshintsha impilo yale ndoda le. In fact laba abawu-2 laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs balethwe uye, but manje bamjikelile, akababonganga nokubabonga, cabanga abantu abalethe eSouth Africa. And I remember this one time ngasikhathi kuphuma iy'ndaba zokuthi uCoach Nabi uyahamba ku-Kaizer Chiefs kwasha kwacima, and then waphuma into ukuthi khona abantu abamudla iy'thende behind the scenes, and guess what, sesine-confirmation ukuthi vele bamudla iy'thende laphana behind the scenes, and abantu bekabathemba kunabo bonke abantu abamudla iy'thende. Makakhipha i-statement uCoach Nabi azange ababonge nokubabonga, ekubonisayo ukuthi there's something off, ikhona into off kakhulu futhi hayi kancane bafethu, off laphana serious, ukuthi ususa abantu le, utshintshe iy'mpilo zabo kubaletha ku-Kaizer Chiefs, njalo uma uthola umsebenzi uyababiza ekugcineni yibo labo bantu abakujikelayo. And guess what? No, you don't even have to guess, I'll tell you. Coach Nabi waqamba amanga ku-Kaizer Chiefs ngokuthi umfazi wakhe waba u-car accident kwasha wacima. Bona labantu labo Coach Nabi athi uyabathemba batshela i-Kaizer Chiefs same thing. So i-trust was broken. Kaizer Chiefs beyenza ama-investigation and this thing yokuthi evele yamosha everything-ke manje lento leyo ukuthi u-Coach Nabi license yakhe ayikho right for ukuthi ahlale laphana ku-CAF elokhu njani ku-touchline, cause bekangenzanga i-refresh. Into encane akusinto e-difficult bafethu, into encane beyingalungiswa lento lena, ipholishwe ilungise, abuye u-Coach Nabi bayilungise lento le, ayithathi nanesikhathi. But-ke abakwenzanga lokho konke lokho because of i-trust beseyi-broken. Cabanga bamshaya emuva kwendlebe u-Coach Nabi. Imagine kayingaki bafuthu kwenzakala lento le, uze ne-technical team yakhe, ama-foreign coaches whatever, wena as i-head coach bakuxoshe bashiye bona laba bamalo. Cause u-Coach Nabi yena bethi ngizohamba nabantu bami mina, ime ngize nabo e-South Africa, bona bathi hhayi asifune kuhamba thina ku-Kaizer Chiefs, hamba wena wedwa. I-relationship, it was just broken like that. But yeah, Kaizer Chiefs ifisela inhlanhla lesi season, uzodinga more than inhlanhla. Umthethwa, best performer of i-Kaizer Chiefs, they can learn. Baningi abantu abangafunda kumthethwa bafethu nama-performances wakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bangamisela kangakanani overall laphana. Yeah, sibafisela inhlanhla overall. Coach Nabi, good luck la uyakhona. Expectations we-Kaizer Chiefs, I see them finishing at least ku-number 4 or lower than number 3 if benze kahle, but I see them number 4, number 5 lapho. But sobona isizini mayelo iqhubeka ukuthi bazozimisela kanjani. Bangabi nama-big expectations, but-ke nabo ku-management bangenza izinto ezi-right. U-coach ngama-co-coaches, but siyibambe laba fethu, singablame kakhulu, singagxeki. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.